So I get an invite to join a video call on DeepRacer, and AWS tells us that they're going to open source the DeepRacer code so that people can do other things with the car than just drive around a track. And they say, Chris, do you have any ideas? I'm like, why don't we just attach a toy blaster to the car and run around and destroy things? And they said, that's great. Can you have it next Thursday? I'm like, wait, what? Hi, I'm Chris Miller from Cloud Brigade, and I invented the DeepBlaster. This is a Jupiter blaster. It uses two high-speed motors and a feeder motor to shoot the Nerf ammo at up to 15 rounds per second. Of course, we didn't need that kind of firepower for this, so we're just going to shoot at 3 rounds a second. I want to turn the attention to the car. In order to pull this off, I needed to do some 3D modeling, and fortunately we have a great makerspace next door to our office, and they helped us out with that portion. This is modeled off an existing LiDAR bracket, and it gave us a nice flat foundation for us to mount a turret control servo. This model was based off of one that I found online. Fortunately, somebody had created a turret for a tank, and so we were able to modify that for our purposes and to create a platform here for the Jupiter blaster to be mounted on. This here is the Arduino, and we're using that to control the servo to be able to aim the turret. We'll be mounting a camera on top of here to independently locate objects and to aim towards them. One of the challenges in this project was learning the robot operating system, or ROS2, and modifying nodes that were written for other purposes. In this case, I used the follow the leader example as inspiration, as there was already a navigation controller that was going to be much like what I call my targeting controller to control the turret and aim at an object. My ultimate goal is to build a blaster that can be used competitively, such that the car drives around the track using an autonomous model that the developer has trained, as well as using an object detection model to acquire and destroy targets. The score would be a sum of how fast the car went around the track successfully, as well as a number of objects that were hit with the blaster.
Let's build our DeepBlaster. First, install the parts and the blaster itself. Lastly, the blaster controller. Next, we program the blaster controller. Step 3 is to build the ROS packages. Step 4, load your ammo.